Hi.
My name is K'Lynn. I do want to know a little more about the medical field. Can you tell us more about yourself?
My name is Christine Albert, and then I've served in a bunch of roles in healthcare. Working in healthcare, oftentimes you think about hospitals or physicians or nurses or people that you see who are treating you, which is so important. But then there's a whole ecosystem of people that help and support the organization and patients. My background is in marketing and communications, and then moved into brand strategy. And then within a healthcare system here that's about 8 hospitals and 14,000 people, I moved into a role that was called the Chief Experience Officer. So when I think about marketing and the role that it plays for a patient, for example, a lot of the work that we're doing helps people connect to doctors, to services, to support groups, to care that they need. So something simple like having a digital team on your marketing team, those are the people who make it really easy for patients or consumers to find you. So those caregivers are caring for people, but those marketing teams are helping spread the word about the care and the services you provide as an organization.
So when you go into this field, do you need certifications or is it a college degree?
You can get into it, be successful, and do other things related to marketing communications if you don't have it. But I think having that bachelor's degree at a minimum ensures that more doors will be open than closed to you in the future. And then there are a ton of really specialized certifications and other things that can be very subspecialized based on what you do in marketing. So if you do crisis communication, if you do digital marketing, there is a certification through lots of professional organizations.
What are the key traits do you feel like when you're in this role that you need to be happy and strive and grow in this career?
Can you work with numbers or data? Can you look at, did this digital campaign succeed or not? Do we reach the right people in the right way? Did they respond to us? Is our brand growing? Are we seeing more patients? So kind of looking at the business side of things, just kind of always seeking to understand or asking a lot of questions. So a lot of times marketing people are people who like to solve problems.
How would you recommend a young person to train their verbal skills?
One thing I would suggest is look for someone you think does it really well. When you think about this person, you think, gosh, I really admire or respect what I see in their behavior. So kind of looking and watching and observing in real life is really helpful. And then before you go into a meeting, before you meet someone, checking in with yourself about how do I want to show up? What do I want to share? What would I like to know? And approaching it with that, again, that curiosity, of course, politeness, and the goal is like to learn and engage and have that two-way street.
Do you think that it's important to have an online presence?
There's a whole world of people out there that you could be engaging with, talking to, exchanging ideas with. Having an online presence helps you do that, but it also helps you to build your brand and let people who you know see you, but also this whole world of people who have never met you understand what you're good at, what you're thinking about, what you care about. Could lead to more connections, to jobs, all kinds of things. So it just kind of creates a whole network that you couldn't have if you were just physically in real life together. This whole other world of people who may care about things that you deeply care about as well, and you get to find them and connect with them and kind of have this mind meld moment and learn and grow. It's incredible.